In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint file through Gmail. Let's keep this simple and clear. You'll need your PowerPoint file saved on your computer as a PPT or PPTX. And you'll need to be in your Gmail inbox. Once you are there, start by clicking Compose. This opens a new message window where you'll build your email. With the message window open, look along the bottom toolbar and click the paperclip icon. That's the Attach Files button. You might also see a Google Drive triangle icon nearby. But for a standard file attachment, the paperclip is what you want. Clicking it will open your computer's file picker. Next, find your saved PowerPoint file. Navigate to the folder where you keep it, maybe Desktop, Documents, or Downloads, and select the file that ends in PPTX or PPT. If you've been editing the presentation, it's a good idea to save your changes and close the file before attaching it, just to make sure Gmail can upload the most recent version without any hiccups. After you select the file, give it a moment to upload. You'll see a small progress indicator in the Compose window. Larger presentations with lots of images or embedded media can take longer, especially on a slower connection. So be patient and avoid closing the Compose window while it's working. If the file is quite large, Gmail may automatically switch to sending it as a link stored in Drive. That's normal, and your recipient will still be able to access it. Once the attachment shows up beneath the subject line, you are ready to add your recipient and subject. In the To field, type the email address of the person you are sending it to. For the subject, make it clear and helpful, something like presentation slides or PowerPoint for meeting. You can also write a short message in the body to provide context, such as what the file contains or any deadlines. Keeping the message brief but informative helps your recipient know exactly what to expect. Before you send, take a quick glance to confirm the attachment is listed and fully uploaded. The recipient address looks correct, and the subject is in place. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will handle the rest, and your file will head out with the email. If you stay on the page for a moment, you'll see a confirmation that the message was sent. And that's it. Compose, attach with the paperclip. Select your PPT or PPTX, wait for the upload to finish. Add your recipient and subject, and click Send. Thanks for watching.